students, how are you? Hope you all are fine at your home and doing your studies also well. Yes students, today I am going to tell you about value based questions and worksheet 4 we will do here today. Students, you know as well, we have done already the multiplication questions here in the worksheet 1, 2 and 3. There we have studied here that properties of multiplication and multiplication normally digits of 3 digits, 4 digits to 3 digits multiplying there, and the orally questions, multiplication questions are have done there. But students, today I am going to tell you about word problems related to multiplication. Let's see there. There is the first question here of worksheet 4. There is the first question. There are 850 toffees in a packet. There is a packet and in this packet there are 480 toffees. How many toffees are there in 215 packets? So students, you are seeing here that there is a one packet and it contains the 850 toffees. One packet contains 815 toffees. Second packet as well, third, fourth, fifth, sixth packet. As a total packets we have 215 packets. If we have 215 packets, how many toffees are there? 850 toffees, 850 toffees in this packet, 850 toffees in this packet. So continuous process of addition we know well about this is the multiplication process here. It means we have to do here multiplication. We have to do here the multiply to both the numbers here. That is 850 toffees in one packet. Then how many toffees in 215 packets? We have to multiply 850 into 215. We will get here the total toffees in 215 packets. So students, let's see there. There is 850 multiplying to 215. We will get here 5 is multiplying to this number. First, ones place is multiplying to this number, and we have already done the multiplication questions here. So there is no need to explain all the things in the multiplication. So start 5 into 0, 0, 5 5 jar 25 and 25 2 is carrying there, 5 8 jar 40, 40 plus 2 that is 42. Now we have to multiply the tens place digit. Tens place digit is multiplying to this number. To get this, we have to multiply first. There we have to place here the 1 0 here because this is the tens place, and now we will multiply this number to 1 here. So 1 into 0, 0 here, 1 into 5, 5 there, 1 into 8, 8 is here. Now students, we have to multiply here the hundreds here. How many hundreds? 2 hundreds. So first place 2 zeros in this place here. Now we will multiply the hundreds place digit to this number. 2 0 0, 2 5 jar 10, 1 is carrying there, 2 8 jar 16 plus 1 that is 17 here. Now we have to add all the numbers. 0, 5, 7, 12, 1 is carrying there, 7 plus 1 8, and this is 1. This will we get here how many toffees? This is 1,82,750 toffees in 215 packets. It means we have to multiply here because we want 2 more things. So we have to multiply here. These are the toffees. Is this clear, students? Now we will go to the next question. There is a next question here. Part B. A can of oil contains 15 liters of oil. One can contains 15 liters of oil. How much oil is there in 240 such cans? If there are 240 cans, then what quantity of milk what quantity of oil is there. So capacity of a can is 15 liters. Is this clear? Now capacity of 240 cans. Capacity of 240 cans. What? How much oil is in 240 cans? So students, one can contains 15 liters. One can contains 15 liters. One more can. One more can. One more can. There are 240 cans are there. 15 liter, 15 liter, 15 liter, 15 liter. Will we add there? No, because continuous process of addition is the multiplication here. Do you can you add in the 240 times? The addition of 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. Can you add? No, it's impossible. It's time consuming. So we will do here that the multiplication here we will multiply. If the continuous process of addition is multiply, so we will multiply here, and there is the answer here 240 into 15, and that equals to, we will get here 15 0 0, 15 4 ja 60, 60, 1 0 is there, and 6 at the hundreds place. 15 2 ja 30, and 30 plus 6, that is 3600 liters. Is this clear, students? This will get the answer here. You can directly multiply if you know about the table here. If you don't know, then write down this type and try to multiply here. Okay, students, now we will go to the next question here. The next question is part C here. There are 238 beads in a necklace. Question 1, part C. There are 238 beads in a necklace. Find the total number of beads in 167 such necklace. One necklace is there and there are the beads 238 beads. But there are some more beads, some more necklace are there. There are 167 necklace. One necklace have 238 beads. But 167 necklaces have how many beads? We have to multiply to know more. Is this clear? Now, so we are taking here number of students, number of beads in a necklace is 238 beads, and number of beads in 160 necklaces we have to find here. One necklace have 238 beads. It means 167 necklaces have how many beads? So we have to try here the multiplication. So let's see here. Once place digit is multiplying to this number, then we will get here 7 8 ja 56, that is 5 is carrying there. 7 3 ja 21 plus 5 26, 2 is carrying there. 7 2 ja 14, 14 plus 2, that is 16 here. There must be 1 0 because we have to multiply here the tens place digit. 6 8 ja 48, 4 is carrying there. 6 3 ja 18, 18 plus 4 22, 2 is carrying there. 6 2 ja 12 plus 2, that is 14 here. Now we have to place 2 zeros because we have to multiply here the hundreds place. 1 8 ja 8 there, 1 3 ja 3 there, 1 2 ja 2 there. Now we will add all these numbers. This is 6, 8 6, 14, and 1 carrying there. 6 plus 2 8, plus 1 9, 9 plus 8, that is 17. 1 is carrying there. 1 plus 1 2, plus 4 6, plus 3 9, 2 plus 1 3. 39,746. 39,746 beads 167 necklaces have. Is this clear, students? Now we will go to the next question. Question number part D here. Now students, we are doing here the part D. In part D, there is 1 dozen bananas cost is 36 rupees. 1 dozen bananas cost is 36 rupees. And we have to find the total number. What is the cost of 720 dozen bananas? There is 1 dozen, 2 dozen, 3 dozen, 4 dozen bananas are there. We have to find the cost of 720 bananas, and there is given that cost of 1 dozen bananas is 36 rupees. We have to find here the cost of 722 dozen bananas. It means we have to get more. So we are multiplying there. This is 720 multiplying by 36. So we know about the orally questions we have done here. 720 into 36 is equals to, we have done here 0 and we are multiplying here 72 to 36. There is 6 to the 12 here, 1 is carrying there, 6 7 the 42, 42 plus 1 43, 3 to the 6, 3 7 the 21, 2 9 5 2. This will get here the 2 5 9 2, and there is right side 0. Then put there, put in the product also there is right side 0 1 0 is there, and this is the cost here. So this is rupees. Is this clear, students? This is rupees here. Rupees 25,920 rupees cost is of 720 dozen bananas. Now we have to find here that there are 1000 pages in a book. There are 1000 pages in a book. How many pages are there in the 75 such books? This is your one book and it have 1000 pages here. Is this clear? Suppose this have 1000 pages in this book, and you have to find here that there are the 75 books, and how many total pages in these 75 books. So is this addition is simple? No, it's not simple. So continuous process of addition is multiplication, and there we have to find more. It means we have to get the more, we are to multiplying there. So 1000 into 75, and it will get orally. In orally we have done this type of questions here. Directly we are written here 75 and we are multiplying total number of zeros, count the number of zeros in the multiply and put in the right side that number of zeros. There are the 3 zeros, so put the 3 zeros in the right side, and 75 1 75, that are pages. 75 pages in 75 books. Is this clear, students? This is orally question also done here. Now we will do here the value based question. In value based question, there is the story here. First we will read the story here. Let's see there. Rohan visited a charitable hospital with his grandparents during his summer vacation. Where Rohan visited? Yes, charitable hospital. With whom? With whom? Yes, grandparents on the summer vacation. And there he saw that the most of the fans were not in the proper working condition. And what's the situation of the hospital is there? What's the situation is there? Yes. There is the situation that the fans are not working there. In the charitable hospital, there are fans are not working there. So students, what do you think about this? Rohan wanted to help the patients of the charitable hospital by donating some fans. How do he help him? By giving the fans to the charitable hospital. Now, he spoke to his father, who was the president of his colony, and Rohan's father is a president of his colony. So he decided to give him the money. Give him the fans. Now he spoke to his father, who was the president of his colony. The colony donated 35 fans to the charitable hospital, and the committee members decided to give 35 fans to this charitable hospital. The hospital authorities thankful to Rohan and his father, and by this Rohan's charitable hospital authorities have been satisfied, and they are very happy by giving them the 35 fans in the charitable trust. So students, we are having here you have read the story here. You can read this story again and again before doing the questions. Up to whenever you don't understand this language. So students, now we are asking here the question. So there is a question number 1. If the cost of one fan is 895 rupees, how much money was spent on the fans? Now let's see there. Now students, we are having the question number 1. In question number 1, there is the cost of one fan is given here 895 rupees. This is the cost of one fan. We have to find here the how much is spent on the total fans here. So we are doing here the cost of 35 fans. So 35 fans cost is, we have to get more, so we have to multiply here. 895 is multiplied by 35. So we will get here 5 5 are 25. This will get here the 2. 5 9 are 45 plus 2, 47. This is 4. And 5 8 are 40. 40 plus 4, 44. 3 5 are 15. 3 9 are 27 plus 1, 28. And 3 8 are 24 plus 2, 26. We will get the addition here. 7 5 12. 1 is adding there. 4 plus 1 5 plus 8, 13. It will get here the carrying. 4 plus 1 5 plus 6, 13. 11. 5 plus 6, that is 11. 1 is carrying there. 2 plus 1, 3. 31,325 rupees are costing of 35 fans. Is this clear? Now there is the question number 2. In what other ways can you help a charitable hospital? In what other ways? You are given here the 35 fans because they need the fans here, because fans are not working there. So they decided to donate this. But in what other ways you can help these people, this type of charitable trust are there? Then, so by giving money, we can donate money here by donating money, by donating blood, and etc. etc. You can donate some thing that needs to the hospital. Is this clear, students? And this syllabus is over here. You have to work on these questions. You will revise all the questions here, and there is we have to take a test after this, after 1 week, or we have given you the time there. So students, you have to revise in the rough notebook very well manners. Okay students? Yes, have a nice day. Thank you.